Check out these Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and a complete presentation deck, all created from a single prompt in Claude AI. This is Canva MCP, which you can use to connect with Claude to turn your idea into fully editable designs in seconds. And in this video, I'll walk you through the exact process to set up this Canva Claude integration so you can generate designs on the fly and edit and refine as needed. You'll find links to all the prompts and resources used here in the description below. To get started, open Claude AI, click the plus icon and select Add Connectors from the menu. From the list of connectors, find Canva. Once you click on Canva, Claude will prompt you to sign in to your Canva account, so just log in as usual. Before you move ahead, note that we'll be using the Magic Design feature, which is only available with the Pro or Education plan. After signing in, go back and click the plus icon again, just to confirm everything is set up properly. You should see Canva listed there with the toggle turned on, which means it's successfully connected. Now let's start with our designs. I'm going to create an Instagram post first. I've put together a simple prompt formula that includes style, visual elements, and the text to include. You'll find this formula in the description, so you can copy it and tweak it with your own ideas. For this example, I'm using a fitness brand. Once you paste the prompt, just wait a few seconds for the designs to generate, and here they are. Canva gives you 4 different design options. From here, just pick the one you like. For example, I'll go with option 3. Type option 3, and Claude will give you a link to open it directly in Canva. Now go to canva.com. On the left sidebar, open Projects, and you'll find your latest design there. From here, you have full control. You can change the background, edit the text, adjust fonts, resize elements, or even use Canva's AI tools to refine the design. I also tried another prompt for a different Instagram post, and the results are consistently good. It's not just one design that works. Almost all of them are usable. Just repeat the same process. Pick your favorite option, send it to Canva, and open it through the link or find it again in your projects. Now let's move to YouTube thumbnail generation. I used the same prompt formula that I used for the Instagram post, and it generated 4 ready-to-use designs. This time, the results weren't as perfect. For example, the first option looked a bit too basic. The other options were still decent and followed the design direction from the prompt. I went with option 4 and opened it in Canva. Inside Canva, I made a few quick adjustments. The text wasn't properly centered and was slightly off, so I fixed the alignment. Once it looked good, I downloaded the image and tried another thumbnail prompt. Again, the thumbnails came out a bit basic overall, but this is where Canva really helps because you have full control to improve the design. This time, I liked option 3 better, so I opened it in Canva. I adjusted the text and tweaked the graphics on the right side. Since Claude builds these graphics using multiple Canva elements, it's easier to select everything together and then reposition it properly. There was also a random face element that didn't fit, so I removed that too. Once everything looked clean and aligned, I downloaded the final image. Next, I wanted to try creating logos for businesses. The first prompt I entered was for an AI tool brand, and the result was really good. The logos matched the style of typical AI tools, so I went with option 2 and opened it in Canva. For the next one, I tried a different logo style, but Claude generated all 4 options together in a single image. I figured out a workaround once I brought it into Canva. I removed the other options, selected the one I liked best, zoomed in, and downloaded it. It's genuinely impressive how quickly you can get polished designs ready exactly the way you want them, within seconds. If you are planning a presentation for your next meeting, you can use Claude for research and then ask it right there to generate the slides for that content in Canva, and it delivers them within seconds. I tested this by feeding my content into Canva, and it produced a 9-slide presentation deck that was quite impressive. I brought it into Canva, reviewed everything, and it was pretty much perfect. You can also give direct prompts to Claude to make edits to generated designs instead of doing everything manually in Canva. For example, I wanted to update the details in the first Instagram post I had generated. I simply described the changes in the same chat, and Claude identified the right post, applied the edits, and delivered exactly what I asked for. I did the same with a YouTube thumbnail. I prompted Claude to add a robot in the center for more visual emphasis, along with a split design featuring a human on the left side. I selected option 4, brought it into Canva, arranged the text, and downloaded the final image. So there you have it. A complete setup guide to use Canva inside Claude with all popular use cases. Try out this workflow using the prompts and resources in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.